Hi guys, my name is Mansi and I'm the senior creative videographer at Namshi. We're all trying to stay at home this Ramadan and I understand that this can be a little bit lonely for some of you. So I am going to show you how you can put a smile on someone else's face. I am going to put together a care package for a friend of mine. She has absolutely no idea that this is going to her. And this is just a little reminder that a little bit of self-pampering can go a long way and she can still enjoy herself while she is at home. So let's go and start putting this box together. So this is a box that I found from one of my older deliveries. I'm going to use this as the base for all our items. First item she is going to get is a coffee bean hydrogel mask, which looks like this. She loves her coffee, so hopefully she can indulge in the scent while it preps her face. Next, I have this cooling eye mask, which is in rose gold glitter, and I'm super excited about this one since she loves anything that is glitter and extra. With a lot of the screen time we have these days, I think this is a nice addition to help her relax. The next item is this Ajmal Perfume, which looks super cute. Look at the size of this. And for all those oud lovers, this is amazing. Next I have is this eyelash mug. It is super adorable and snug, and I like that it goes super wide at the bottom. Next I have is a Calm Club scented candle, because who doesn't like some nice smells? Along with the candle, I am going to throw in this Calm Club bath bomb. I want to help her relax and enjoy her time while she's at home. I've also decided to throw in this gorgeous Ted Baker rose gold pen, since my friend is an amazing writer and I am hoping this helps inspire her to do some more writing. Next I have is this Calm Club pack with some boating balls or stress balls, again just to help her relax. The last item I have is this stationery kit. This will hopefully help her stay on track with work and come up with some really cool, inspiring ideas. Our Ramadan care package is almost good to go. I'm gonna try and do my own decoration to make it look a little bit more personalized. So let's go ahead and do that. And there we have it, our very own custom homemade Ramadan Kareem care package ready to be delivered.